Namaste. My name is Samidha Kolhatkar, yoga coach and founder of Yogsutras. Welcome to this session where we will explore Bhastrika Pranayama, also known as Bellows Breath. This powerful breathing technique energizes the body, clears the mind, and awakens inner vitality. It helps stimulate the metabolic rate, flush out the wastes and toxins, activate the visceral organs, and tone the digestive system. In this session, we will go step by step, first understanding the correct technique and then moving into the practice. Bhastrika is a dynamic pranayama and requires a stable asana to lock the body while allowing the freedom of abdominal movement. It should be avoided by individuals with high blood pressure, heart disease, with a history of epilepsy, stroke, gastric ulcers, or vertigo. Roll your mat, sit comfortably, and let's begin the practice. And if you enjoy the practice, don't forget to click and subscribe to the channel for more yoga sessions with me. Hope you enjoy this session. In a posture that allows abdominal freedom, spine remains tall throughout the practice. In Bhastrika, we will begin with the first set, which is inhales and exhales. These are forceful inhales and forceful exhales. And there would be movement of the abdomen when the breath is in and out. And we do 3 rounds, 10 each. So first, allow the natural rhythm of your breath to be a part of your awareness. Relax your palms onto your thighs and once again navigate your awareness through your posture. And feel your posture that has gotten the stability and it can allow you the abdominal movement. Let's begin. We allow that in between the rounds pause to recover the natural breath and to absorb the after effect. In Bhastrika, it's very natural to feel a little lightheaded after every round. So be aware of that. Allow the after effect to trickle down and then begin your next one. After finishing 3 rounds, allow yourself to reset your posture, your breath, and then you will prepare for the next set, which we will do with alternate nostrils. So we will seal the right nostril and we will make 10 exhales and inhales like we did with both nostrils to one of them. And at the end of the 10th exhale, take a nice deep inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril, then seal, and repeat the entire process through the right nostril. So once again, spine aligned, and we begin with the Nasikra Mudra, right thumb sealing the right nostril. We start with the second set and similarly the third one. The third set will be with inner breath retention, which means we will finish the 10 inhales and exhales. We will inhale through both the nostrils in this set. We will retain the breath inside and pause until we're comfortable, and then make that exhale when we feel the need to empty out. We do 3 sets of this. Align your posture. Begin once your breath has restored its natural rhythm. Align your posture. Always allow the the natural breath to restore before you begin the next round. Allow yourself to just sit still to absorb the after effect of the practice before you hop into the busy day.